Pressure looks good on the main cylinder.
Crane is clear to move section 7.
Align the main drive shaft now.
Clear on the left.
Torque is stable, ready for hydraulics connection.
Watch the temperature on the south side. Holding steady. Keep it coming.
Watch the heat signature on that plate.
We're pushing maximum amps. Approaching the target temperature now.
Pressure's holding steady on the new connection. All right, let's move it to the next station.
Clear on the pneumatic tool.
Check the readout, we're green across the board. Send it down the line.
बस अब जोक सरथरा उसी घर की ले इस दीपोट फनाई कारते थे ओ कोदा मेज दाद रहे हैं इस कर इस ए चाथ वदा स्टेज आउता था.
Watch the clearance on the robotic arm.
We need more shielding gas over here.
Torque wrench to 75.
75. Checking alignment now.
The pour is complete. Check the cooling sequence.
Sequence engaged. Pressure is stable.
Zoom in on sector gamma 7. The thermal reading here is slightly elevated.
I see it. Rerunning the diagnostic now. Lower the crane slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Confirmed. Lowering now. Looks good. We need to secure the transmission housing before the next cycle.
Already on it. Almost torqued.
All personnel, verify alignment on the main drive shaft. Sequence initiation in 3 minutes. Lower on the descent. Check the tolerances on that joint. Now, secure the bolts in sequence.
Check the connections on the transmission housing. Looks good from here. Ready for final torque.
Check the alignment on sector 4.
Torquing the final bolt now. We are clear.
A testament to the power of human ingenuity. Precision engineering on a massive scale.
Check the alignment on the main shaft. Looks good. Hand me the torque wrench for the housing bolts.
Check the torque on the lower axle connection. Status report in 5 minutes.
Ensure the fuel lines are secured before the pressure test. Already checked. Moving to ignition now.
Alignment looks good on the mounts.
Confirmed. Proceeding to the next stage.
Double-check the torque specifications on the housing bolts.
Applying the final setting now.
According to the schematic, this housing needs to align perfectly with the axle.
I agree. The tolerance is minimal here.
Torque is set to 300.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Okay, torque that main shaft bolt to the specified setting.
Roger that. Applying torque now.
Confirming green indicator light.
Check the torque settings on cylinder 4.
Reading green. Alignment is perfect.
Check the clearance on the planetary gear set. Looks good, within tolerance.
Sequence initiated. Monitoring the feed rate.
Maintain current velocity through the cut. Ensure alignment is precise.
Align the panel.
Securing the bolts now.
Ensure the torque settings match the specification sheet.
Confirmed. The laser scan shows everything is within tolerance.
All personnel, dynamic assembly is commencing on schedule. Great work, team. Watch the clearance on the manifold.
Steady, steady. It's almost home.
Confirmed alignment. Proceeding with the sequence.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear on this side. Set it down slowly.
Torque wrench setting should be 75 Newton meters on the final component. Check the pressure levels on the schematic.
Check the hydraulic line connection.
Looks good from here. Pressure steady.
Secure the primary harness to the housing.
Connection is stable. Diagnostics are clear on Module 3.
Precision engineering requires absolute focus, transforming raw materials into the machines that build our world.
A little more to the left. Watch the clearance. Got it. Locking it in place.
Torque check on the main housing bolt. Confirmed. Reading is within spec. Good to go.
Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Almost there. Bring it down another foot.
All right, secure the mounts. Clear the area around the axle housing.
Torquing the main bolt now.
Mounts are secured.
Copy that. Initiating sequence 3.
Lower the beam slowly. Watch the connection point. Copy that. Lowering now.
Pressure looks good on manifold 7.
Confirming synchronization sequence. Ready for ignition.
Look at her, almost ready for rollout.
The biggest one yet.
Attention all personnel, prepare for alignment sequence. Clear the lower deck immediately.
Sequence initiated. Moving the assembly now.
Carefully now. The final reduction gear must be perfectly centered.
Engaging the magnetic clamps. It's seated.
We need to ensure this seal is perfect before we move to the next section.
Agreed. The tolerances are extremely tight here.
The schematic indicates the torque needs to be precise here.
I'm applying the wrench now. It's almost secure.
All parameters nominal. The assembly is complete.
Remarkable precision. Well done, team.
We are showing a temperature spike on the lower conduits.
Rerouting coolant. We need to maintain the sequence before the next phase.
Check the tolerances on this module.
They look good, but let's run the diagnostic again.
Align section Gamma 12.
Confirmed alignment. Proceed with locking sequence.
Welding complete on lower torso.
Point C7. Verify alignment.
Alignments confirmed within specification.
The diagnostics on the advanced systems check out.
Good. Let's send it to the next stage.
Check the voltage on line 3.
Reading stable at 24 volts. Go ahead and secure the harness.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on grid 7.
Locked in place. Torso secured. This welding point on the chassis near the articulation joint needs closer inspection.
Okay, I see it. Let me log the coordinates.
Check the conduits on the left leg.
Bring the crane down 10 centimeters. Watch the coupling.
Power up the main circuit.
The scan is complete.
Perfect readings across the board. The finish is flawless.
Run-out check complete.
Torque sequence engaged.
Balancer reading steady at 0. This coat finish is flawless.
Confirmed. Meets all specifications.
Ready for the next stage.
Here at the CAT assembly line, our diverse team works in perfect sync, ensuring every component meets.
This weld right here, run a level 2 scan on the heat signature.
The scan reads clear, but I agree, it looks stressed.
I've made a note. Pressure looks stable at 40,000 psi.
Injector timing is right on schedule.
We are clear for the high RPM cycle. Make sure that link is seated properly before I tighten it.
Thermal reading is stable. Go ahead. We need to ensure the alignment is perfect before we proceed.
Yes, the specs on the tablet show the exact measurements right here. The gap tolerance here is marginal.
I agree. Note it down for review.
Check the pressure on line 4.
Looks good. We are clear for transport.
The alignment here is off by 2 millimeters. We need to recalibrate the arm.
Keep coming back slowly, you're almost there. All right, she's positioned, get the chains.
Check the alignment on the hydraulic arm mount.
Looks good. Tolerances are within spec. Recording it now.
Make sure that joint is secure before the next sequence.
Already checked it. The alignment is perfect.
Slow down on sector 4. Copy that, slowing down. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Secure the upper quadrant now.
It's locked in place. Looks perfect from here.
Item 4B is clear. Did you verify the sensor alignment?
Yes, the readout on the tablet confirms calibration.
We need to verify the seam alignment on the lower quadrant.
Confirmed. The readings are stable within the margin.
Inspection confirms everything is within specification here.
All right, the data is logged. Looks good to go.
The final inspection is complete. This unit is now secured for shipment to our partners worldwide.
Take a look at the data on this seam.
All parameters are within tolerance. Agreed. The paint application is superb.
After months of dedication, it's finally ready. Another testament to quality, rolling out from the factory floor.
Check the torque settings on the hydraulic coupling. The sensor readings seem slightly off.
The pressure readings are stable now. We're within tolerance.
Excellent. Let's initiate the final power-up sequence.
We did it!
Yes, fantastic work, team! It looks amazing.
The hydraulic pressure looks good.
Confirmed on the diagnostic tablet, well within tolerance.
Torque settings are finalized on the track links. The clearance here is exactly 20 millimeters.
Confirmed, that matches the specification on the tablet. Let's move to the tires.